everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today's video is all about fashion mistakes, and I say fashion mistakes like that since fashion is always evolving and changing. In today's video I show you what, in my opinion, are the worst fashion mistakes and tips to avoid them. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, and that is a low waist. Everybody knows that a low waist is a tricky piece of clothing, difficult to wear, difficult to pair, because a low waist will distort our silhouette, it will be lower our waistline, and will be pointing out an area where the majority of us, the majority of women, have the most volume. Besides, we must be very careful with what top we will be pairing our low waist. So if you don't want to make a mistake, you shall opt for a medium or high waist. A high waist piece of clothing will be pointing out the narrow part of your body and thus creating a beautiful silhouette. Fashion mistake number 2, accessories. Accessories are a great part of our look. When well combined and used, they have the power to add value to our look. They have the power to transform a basic look into a look much more interesting. But it's also so easy to make a mistake. My advice is you should wear your accessories to point out a specific and one only part of your body. For instance, for women that have a larger bust and want to attract the attention to other parts of their body, they can use a statement pair of earrings so that the attention goes to her face and not to her chest. On the contrary, if you want to make evidence of your chest, you should opt to wear a big necklace that will be pointing out that area of your body. Don't use all at the same time, and less is more. Fashion mistake number 3, crop top paired with a low waist. It's also very risky and usually doesn't work. If you want to use a crop top, you should pair it with a high waist. It will make your figure slimmer, it will define your silhouette, creating an hourglass shape, and it will be so much more elegant. Now, style mistake number 4, see-through pieces. A pair of trousers that are showing your underwear doesn't work, doesn't look elegant. A blouse that shows your bra doesn't look good, elegant and sophisticated unless for specific occasions and when paired with the right underwear. Transparent pieces that are now a big trend must be worn in the right way and for the right occasion. My advice is wear a transparent blouse with a nice body underneath. Watch your trousers and see if they are lined, especially in light colors. A look that shows too much is always not sophisticated and elegant. Style mistake number 5, too short and too tight together. It can be a too short, too tight dress, a too short, too tight skirt, or a too short, too tight top. My advice is, if you want to wear a tight dress, opt for a midi or long length. And if you want to wear a mini skirt, opt for an A-line shape, or for instance, a shirt dress. So short and tight should never be together. Before we go to fashion mistake number 6, I just thought to ask you, if you haven't already, to press that subscribe button. I'm so happy and grateful that you are joining me in this, that we are building such a wonderful community of beautiful women here. Let's go on to fashion mistake number 6, to be a fashion victim. Sometimes we can make the mistake of wearing all the trends in the same look, and we are not thinking what works for us, what works with our style, what works with the pieces we already have in our wardrobes, and we stop buying mindfully all trend references of the season in the same look. It will appear overdone. My advice is, yes, you should know what is on trend, choose the ones that goes with your style, And then, when making your look, pair it with basic neutral pieces, so that the star of your look will be the trend piece. Be a mindful fashionista. When we see people on the streets wearing too many brands, too much trends, it's not elegant at all. Now, fashion mistake number 7. High heels can be tricky if you don't know how to walk on them. If you feel uncomfortable in high heels, opt to wear a mid-heel, a block heel, or wedges. You will appear instantly more elegant because you are walking in an elegant way. Fashion mistake number 8. The right clothing for the right occasion. That is the dress code. This is a polemic item since it's very subjective. But there are some kind of rules everyone should follow if you want to look elegant, sophisticated, and appropriate to the occasion, place, and time you are attending. For instance, you are not wearing your beachwear to go to your office. We all know that in a wedding, unless it's a dress code, we should avoid wearing white or cream. My advice is choose what you wear according to the place you are going to and appropriate to the occasion. Fashion mistake number 9. A bag full of items in a way that can barely be closed is not elegant and soon will become the mistake point of your look. My advice is don't carry your house inside your bag. Another advice, especially for petites, opt for a small or medium size bag. Don't choose a large bag because a large bag full of items will drag you out and make you look shorter. And now the last mistake for today's video. The hem of your trousers. Be careful so that your trousers don't drag the floor. Wide leg trousers, when too long, will drag the floor, will be dirty and torn apart. The same works for skinny trousers, that when too long will be crimped with too much fabric around your ankles. My advice is either hem your wide leg trousers or for skinny trousers, fold the hem around your ankle. Be careful with the fold so that it does not have excess fabric. You can first cut the hem and then fold maximum 2 times. So, I really hope that's been useful for you. That will be the premise of all my videos. I want them to be useful. I want you to be able to take away something. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!